You know how most humanoid robot videos start? Perfect lighting, clean floors, zero dust, zero rain. Basically, a robot daycare. Now watch this. This thing is dancing in the rain, not hiding from it, not glitching out, just straight up moving like the weather doesn't matter. This is DEEP Robotics DR02. And whether you love it or hate it, it's not built for the lab. People saw this robot doing Tai Chi, street dance, slow, controlled movement, and the comments exploded. Some people went, "What did I just watch?" Others said, "Cool, but useless." And of course, someone brought up the Terminator. But here's the part most people missed. This robot is IP66 rated. That means rain, dust, humidity, things that usually shut robots down. Don't scare it at all. Most humanoids can't even survive a wet factory floor. This one is designed for outdoor work, bad weather, messy environments, real places. And it's not just about water. It runs from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, cold storage, hot workshops, rainy construction sites, no costume change, no panic shutdown. Now let's address the elephant in the comments. Why is it dancing instead of working? Because movement comes first. Balance, control, stability. If a humanoid can't move smoothly, it can't lift, carry, or survive real tasks without falling apart. This robot isn't showing off for fun. It's showing control under stress. And there's another detail that matters way more than dance moves. Its body is modular. Arms, legs, components. Quick detach, quick replace. That's not a demo feature. That's an industrial mindset. Less downtime, faster repairs. Keep the system running. So no, it's not here to cook your dinner or walk your dog. And no, it's not replacing workers tomorrow. But it is answering a question humanoid robots keep dodging. Can you survive the real world, or only a stage? And that's why this robot dancing in the rain actually matters. Because the future of humanoids won't be clean. It'll be wet, dusty, loud, unpredictable. And this one looks like it's ready.